number of different modes for the Zscaler client connector to function when it's forwarding traffic to Zscaler Internet Access. The recommended mechanism is to use the Zscaler tunnel. So this is a tunnel-based approach that intercepts traffic network level and forwards that traffic through an encapsulated tunnel to the Zscaler platform. A couple of different mechanisms for the tunnel. The packet filter based on Windows instruments, packet filters that grab traffic, steer the traffic towards the Zscaler client connector process that can then make a decision to forward it to the Zscaler cloud. Route-based mode also works. It instruments an additional network adapter, which becomes the route for traffic. Route-based mode instruments an additional network adapter, which becomes the route for traffic generated from client applications. We also support a tunnel with local proxy, which creates a loopback address that appears as a HTTPS proxy and then instruments a system proxy setting to point the browser at that local proxy. It's then tunneling the traffic towards the Zscaler cloud. All three of these mechanisms are authenticated tunnels, meaning that once the user is enrolled in the Zscaler client connector, the tunnel is established towards the Zscaler cloud, and all traffic that goes into the tunnel is identified as that user, and that user-based policy is applied. Additional options which support for kind of legacy implementations are enforce pack mode, which basically instruments the pack file in the browser, similar to what you'd get from a group policy object. That means that the browser is forced to go to Zscaler Internet Access as a proxy, or indeed legacy proxy servers if that was necessary. And then none, meaning that the policy is not going to do any configuration of proxy or tunneling mode and relies on the group policy object or the default configuration within the browser.